Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add a picture inside Canva template. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Right guys, open up Canva and then open up that template you want to use. So for this demonstration I've got a Facebook template here. So now I want to add an image in this little frame. So now to add an image, you can either upload an image and then put one in yourself, or you can search for one here. So I'm just going to type in a person. So I'm just going to pop in anyone here. So I'm going to scroll down here. If you see a little crown, that means if you can use these photos if you've got Canva Pro, but if you don't, you can go here and search for free people or free photos. So now I'm going to click on this photo here and now drag and pop it in there like so. So yeah, that's how to do it guys, how to add picture inside a Canva template. Alright, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.